Hello friends, today we are going to learn is matter around us is pure. Classification of matter. On the basis of the physical state, matter is classified into three main types. They are solids, liquids and gases. On the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified into two main types. They are pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are of two types. They are elements and compounds. Mixtures are of two types. They are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. Pure substances and mixtures. Pure substance is a substance which consists of a single type of substance. Example, iron, copper, hydrogen, oxygen, water, sugar, common salt, etc. Mixture is a substance which consists of two or more pure substances. Example, seawater, minerals, soil, air, sand and salt, sugar in water, salt in water, etc. Types of mixtures. Mixtures are of two types. They are homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixture is mixture which has a uniform composition. The particles of the mixture are not visible by the naked eye. The particles cannot be separated by filtration. The mixture is stable. The path of a beam of light is not visible in the mixture. Example, mixture of sugar in water, mixture of salt in water, mixture of copper sulfate in water, etc. Heterogeneous mixtures is a mixture which has a non-uniform composition. The particles are visible by the naked eye. The particles can be separated by filtration. The mixture is unstable. The path of a beam of light is visible in the mixture. Example, mixture of salt and sand, mixture of sulfur and iron fillings, mixture of oil and water, etc. Colloidal solution. A colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Example, mixture of starch in water, mixture of egg albumin in water, milk, air containing dust and smoke, etc. Properties of colloidal solution. Colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. The particles cannot be seen by the naked eye. The solute particles cannot be separated by filtration. The solute particles does not settle down and the solution is stable. The particles scatter a beam of light passing through it and the path of light is visible in the solution. Suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Example, solution of sand in water, solution of chalk powder in water, etc. Properties of suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. The particles can be seen by the naked eye. The solute particles can be separated by filtration. The solute particles settle down and the solution is unstable. The particles scatter a beam of light passing through it and the path of light is visible in the solution. Tyndall effect. When a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution, the colloid particles scatter the beam of light and the path of light becomes visible in the solution. This effect is called Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect can be seen when light enters a room through a small hole due to scattering of light by the dust and smoke particles. Tyndall effect can be seen in a dense forest due to scattering of light by water droplets in the mist. Saturated solution. Saturated solution is a solution which cannot dissolve any more of a solute at a given temperature. Solubility of a substance is the amount of solute present in a saturated solution of the substance. Unsaturated solution is a solution which can dissolve some more of the solute at a given temperature. Concentration of a solution. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount of the solvent or solution. Concentration of a solution is equal to amount of solute by amount of solvent. The concentration of a solution can be expressed as mass by mass percentage or as mass by volume percentage. Mass by mass percentage of a solution. Mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Mass of volume percentage of a solution. Mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. Separating the components of a mixture. The components of a heterogeneous mixture can be separated by simple methods like hand picking, sieving, filtration, etc. Sometimes special techniques are used to separate the components of mixtures like evaporation, centrifugation, decantation, sublimation, centrifugation, chromatography, distillation, and fractional distillation. Evaporation. This method is used for separating a volatile component from a non-volatile component by heating the mixture. Example, ink is a mixture of dye and water. If some ink is heated in a dish, the water evaporates and the dye is left in the dish. Similarly, we can separate a mixture of salt and water or sugar and water by evaporation. Decantation using separating funnel. This method is used for separating a mixture of immiscible liquids. Liquids separate into different layers depending on their densities. Example, if we take a mixture of kerosene oil and water in a separating funnel, it forms separate layer of oil and water. The water can be separated by opening the stop hook. After the water flows out, the stop clock can be closed. Types of pure substances. Pure substances are of two types. They are elements and compounds. Elements is a basic form of matter which cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical reactions. Elements are of three types. They are metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Properties of metals. They have luster. They are malleable and ductile. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are sonorous. Example, iron, aluminium, zinc, mercury, copper, silver, gold, etc. Properties of nonmetals. They do not have luster. They are not malleable or ductile. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity. They are not sonorous. Example, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, iodine, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Properties of metalloids. Metalloids are elements which show some properties of metals and some properties of nonmetals. Example, boron, silicon, germanium, etc. Compound. A compound is a substance composed of two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio. Example, water, carbon dioxide, sugar, salt, iron sulfone, etc. Differences between mixture and compound. Mixture. It is composed of two or more elements or compounds mixed together. The composition of the components is in any ratio. It shows the properties of components. The components can be separated by physical methods. Compounds. It is composed of two or more elements chemically combined together. The composition of the components is in a fixed ratio. It shows different properties than the components. The components can be separated only by chemical methods.